So, hello all. Just now we have finished the learning what are the different requirements for the elevator. Now we will look into the implementation part. So here you can see this is a main elevator logic. Okay. And this is a GUI kind of input I can say which is provided to these elevators. So one is supply, second is floor, and third is like button if we need to press the button. So what is this GUI saying? So first is the main switch that is turn on and then turn off that operate the elevator should be power supply on and off. What is our first requirement? You can see turn on and turn off. So as per all these requirements only, I have implemented this model. So here you can see this is the elevator door, but I'm not having anything to open and close. So it's blank block only I can say. And this is the lamp where it will show when it is going and which floor it is going. It will show here display bar 0, 1, 2. Okay. And here you can see I'm having 0, 1, 2, total 3 floor of logic. After selecting a floor, I need to press the button. And the lamp is red, that means door is closed. And the lamp light is green, that means door is open. So their note should be there like push button after selecting a floor if you want to visit. So we have to push the button after selecting the floor 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is a slider switch I can say, and this is the output which is controlling the door open or close, and this is the output which is like main switch is on or off I can say, and this is one more output input I can say. This is a button which we have to press, and this is a floor selection. You can see after I'm selecting which through which it is connected, it is showing here, and this is a switch which is connected to the supply. Fine. Now this is the main logic inside this elevator. Okay, supply, floor, and button. I'm having a three inputs here. So to control that, it's having inside total two different logics. So as of now, you can see here as compared to previous logics, this is some little bit complex for us. But this is not a complex thing also. This is a simple thing only. What is the requirements? From that requirements only we develop this logic. So first is like optimized design with a floor selector. And second thing is like a first design without a floor selector. So this is like completely commented part I can say. So we will not look at there, we will look this only. So this is our main logic, and this logic is deactivated there. Fine. Now for the now purpose. Okay. Uh Fine. So now so how this logic will work. So there are different modes how it will go. So it will initiate from here where power supply and LED is 0 and door is equal to 5. And you can see here each thing is having input port. This is a port is having priority. So as you know, if we are having this arrow that is input, if we are having this arrow towards outside, that is output data. So we are having three inputs, three outputs. Right? Okay. So the supply, so you can see this is a how it is getting transition from one to another. So how my priority is, so it's started from this default node, our supply one, then it is moving, its supply is equal to 1 to the floor selector. If floor selector entry, if it's selected with some floor, so it will go to here initially. Okay. So first priority is coming to here where roundup floor is equal to 2 and supply is equal to 1. If I'm having floor 2 is selected, then it will come to this state. If I am having floor 1 is selected, then it will come to this state. If I am having floor 0 is selected, then it will come to this state. And every after each floor to transfer from that floor to another floor, it will wait for 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. So for you, if understanding, if 3 seconds is the less time, then I'll make this time to as a 15 seconds. Okay, for everywhere here. So that will be quite simple for you to see at output side of the lab. Fine, I'll save this. Okay. Now you can see every after floor selected, it should wait for the 15 seconds. Okay. And through this state, after that it will come to door open and door close. So after 8 seconds, door should be closed. Okay. If you want me to door open, time should be more than that, then I'll make it to somewhat around uh, 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 I can say some 20 seconds. Right? Door open to close state should be required 20 seconds, right? And the door close, then door close will done, then it will go to the steady state after 2 seconds. And if again we have selected some button, then it will come to the here. Again, the same thing will happen. And that door open close will happen, it will come. So this process will do repeatedly. So we are having a infinite loop for this process, right? So this is one of the another logic. So where first design without a floor selection, and this is the optimized design for the floor selection. So we will look into this optimized floor selection only now. Fine. So this is all about the working and the development part of this elevator model. Thank you.